This time of year is during the fall migration. We have a lot of birds moving through that don't live here all year round, and we're catching a lot of birds that are, on their way migrating to South America.
The Palomar Field Station is the headquarters for the terrestrial program of the Point Reyes Bird Observatory. Here, studies are focused on understanding the life history, breeding biology, and migration of songbirds. Our staff biologists study common and endangered birds, marine mammals, white shark populations, and their habitats. Our projects focus on keeping common birds common and protecting threatened and endangered species.